Guys, I was at my breaking point. Seriously, I felt like my marriage was slipping through my fingers. My husband and I couldn't stop arguing. Our connection had faded and intimacy practically non-existent. Every night I lay in bed wondering, is this really how love dies? He was constantly exhausted, coming home from work just to collapse on the couch. No energy for the kids, no affection, no passion. And the worst part, I felt invisible until one night he looked at me with sadness in his eyes and whispered, "I don't feel like myself anymore. I need help." That moment hit me like a ton of bricks. I knew I had to do something before it was too late. That's when I started searching desperately for a solution, and that's how I found Vigortrix. I won't lie, I was skeptical. A supplement that claims to restore energy, improve circulation, and bring back passion sounded too good to be true. But I was desperate. I had nothing to lose. So I got a bottle, and my husband started taking Vigortrix daily, exactly as directed. And what happened next? Honestly, it felt like a miracle. Within weeks, I started seeing changes. The constant exhaustion gone, that empty, drained look in his eyes replaced with energy and confidence. And our intimate life better than ever. And here's the thing, he was never a believer in this kind of stuff, but now he couldn't stop talking about how much better he felt. What I love most about Vigortrix is that it's 100% natural, no weird chemicals, no prescriptions, just powerful ingredients like L-citrulline, Tribulus terrestris, and zinc, known for improving circulation, boosting testosterone, and reigniting energy. And the best part, no side effects, no risks, just results. And it's not just me saying this. There are hundreds of testimonials on the official website from couples who got their spark back. And here's what sealed the deal for me. It comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. If it didn't work, we get our money back. But trust me, after seeing the results, returning it was never an option. But listen up, because I have even bigger news. The same company behind Vigortrix just launched an advanced formula that's 3x stronger, designed specifically for men struggling with erectile dysfunction, ED, or those who want faster and more powerful results. It's called Nitrox Pro, and it's in pre-launch with limited stock. If you want to experience the same transformation my husband did, but even faster, then don't wait. Click the link in the description and grab yours now. Since it's a launch, early buyers get a huge discount, but only while supplies last. And yes, Nitrox Pro also comes with a 30-day guarantee, so there's zero risk in trying it. I hope my story helped you realize that you don't have to accept a lifeless marriage. There is a solution. And if Vigortrix saved my marriage, it could do the same for you. If you've tried it, drop a comment below and share your experience. And if you're thinking about trying it but still have questions, let me know. I'll be happy to help. Don't forget, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Click the link in the description and claim your Nitrox Pro before it's gone.